Olivia Newton-John is an English-Australian-based singer, songwriter, entrepreneur, actress and activist. Who is best known for selling an assessed 100 million records globally, positioning her as one among the world's best-selling artists of all time. Early life. Olivia Newton-John was born in the year 1948 to Wlезhман Вріnlеу Newtон-Јоhn and Ірене Нелене. Her birthplace was a Cambridge situated inside England. Her father, identified as an M15 officer working on the Enigma project in Bletchley Park, and the one who carried Rudolf Hess into safekeeping in World War II. The actress is known to be the smallest of 3 children. The name of her elder brother in Hagee identified as a doctor. And the name of her elder sister is Rona. She appeared in Shrіਜ਼t Shursh Grammar Ẓshool and later in University High School. Age, height and weight. Being born on 26 September 1948, Olivia Newton-John is 73 years old as of today. Date 2 and January 2022. Her height is 1.68 meter tall and her weight is 55 kg. Career. Olivia Newton-John started off her career by creating a short-lived all-girl group named Soul 4 when she was of age 14, with 3 colleagues frequently performing within a coffee plant possessed by the brother-in-law of her. The actress has turned as a regular in local Australian television and radio shows like HSV7S, The Happy Show, wherein she has performed as a lovely Livy. Moreover, she too performed in Go Show, wherein she came across forthcoming dude partner, a singer named Pat Carroll, and a forthcoming music producer named John Ferrer. Awards and achievement. Olivia Newton-John is known to be a 4-time Grammy Award winner and has collected 5 number 1 as well as 10 other top 10 Billboard Hot 100 singles. Also collected 2 number 1 Billboard 200 solo albums. Total 11 from her singles and 14 from her albums got a certified as a gold by the RIA. An album track entitled Love is a Gift has won her year 1999 Daytime Emmy Award in the category of Outstanding Original Song, post being cast on the daytime serial entitled As the World Turns. Net worth and salary. As of January 2022, Olivia Newton-John has an estimated net worth of $50 million. She makes most of her income with her career as an actress and singer, though she also earned some part being an entrepreneur. The actress is famous for her pop as well as soft rock hits like Come On Over, as well as Do Not Stop Believin'. And also for her movie roles. Famous of them is Sunday within a film version of Grace. She earned well appearing on radio and TV shows prior to working on recording different songs during the year 1966. But actually she was unable to receive her initial record deal till the year 1971. Out of the many roles she played till date, her breakout role in regarded as a Grace launched in the year 1978. Also in the year 2015, the actress performed in the form of a guest judge on famous TV series entitled Dancing with the Stars as well as a RuPaul Drag Race. Olivia Newton-John is one of the few singers who get fame as being one among the best-selling artists of all time. She has enjoyed a successful recording career as well as a film career. The lady is too famous for her many sponsorship and charitable efforts.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.